Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. If you want a hairstyle that looks good and is very easy to manage every day, this video is just for you. As we grow older, our hair can become thinner, dry or more delicate. That's why low maintenance haircuts are a special smart choice. They save time, need less styling and still look beautiful. Let's start with a short layered haircut. This haircut is very popular among women over 50. Soft layers add volume and make hair look fuller. You don't need to use a lot of products or heat tools. Just wash, dry and gently style with your fingers. Next is the classic bob haircut. The bob is simple, clean and elegant. A chin length or neck length bob is easy to care for. It works well for both straight and slightly wavy hair. This haircut always looks neat and stylish. Now let's talk about the pixie haircut. This is one of the easiest haircuts to maintain. It is light, comfortable and dries very fast. A soft pixie with layers looks modern and feminine. It's perfect for women who want a fresh and confident look. Another great option is the shoulder length haircut with soft layers. This style is perfect if you don't want very short hair. The layers give shape and movement. You can leave it open, tie it back or style it slightly. It's easy to manage and very versatile. Let's move on the shag haircut. The modern shag is relaxed and natural looking. It has light layers that add volume without effort. You need perfect styling for this haircut. A little texture makes it look even better. Next is the haircut with bangs. Side bangs are easy to maintain and flattering. They softly frame the face and hide fine lines. They blend well with short and medium length. This style gives a youthful and gentle look. Another simple style is the short crop haircut. This haircut is neat and very practical. It's perfect for women with busy or active lifestyle. You don't need daily styling or it always looks clean and fresh. Now let's talk about natural grey haircuts. Grey hair can look very stylish with the right haircut. A layered haircut helps grey hair look soft and shiny. Choose natural hair, reduce the need for coloring. It's healthy, beautiful and new low maintenance. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.